is. Oh, Sarah.
I'd like to take this opportunity to
Yeah,
she would learn no matter where
cool,
she is.
right?
She's one of the ones where, you know,
Yeah, he's
just
cool.
give her a book and she will learn what's
figure that out. Thank you, sir.
What? Huh?
I'm the one who looks retarded, but she doesn't want to get pictures.
I know. Well, no, you don't look retarded. I'm not looking my best right now. That's super fine. Look at my
doesn't get done sometimes, and there's a tendency to.
I know. I'm trying. No.
Here they come.
No. Dude, you didn't mind when I was taking pictures of you. I mean, videos of you before.
Let them figure it out themselves.
Or did you not know?
I didn't know.
Oh.
Every
I had no
child's different.
Isaac is just looking out the window and stuff.
So the same plan doesn't always
There's
work.
stuff out the window, not
And then
much
they change
there.
as they grow up, too.
They do.
My shoe. There's your shoe. There's no shoe. There's my shoe. There's her shoe. There's Isaac's shoe. That's pretty cool.
Are we taking a video?
Yeah.
Oh.
What'd you think I was doing?
I don't know. I thought you were taking pictures.
No, because you were like, oh, okay.
Oh, I was hiding from a picture.
Oh, no? No? No video.
Hi, video. Hi, YouTube. Yes. No, it's gonna be a picture, isn't it?
I don't know.
No, I'm not doing it.
I don't know.
Yes, Sarah?
Please, look this way. Okay, fine, I'll stop, okay?
No.
I'm stopping, okay?
What are you doing?
I'm gonna stop.
You're freaking me out.
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3.
What are you doing?